Hi guys! Today we're venturing to one of the garden suburbs of Athens, Filothei. Its mellow countryside feel belies the fact that it is in very close proximity to the hustle and bustle of downtown. It's a place where parrots and pigeons coexist in the trees, and the brook babbles from the recent snowfall. A place where you run into furry friends, left and right. It's so uplifting the way they're always so happy to see you. Today's coffee destination, the Palia Agora, or Old Marketplace, is tucked away here among the trees and family homes. It's a spot that wears many faces and goes through many spells throughout the day. From sleepy mornings and casual afternoons, it easily segues into busy evenings and bustling weekends. So, what particular part of this outing will serve as inspiration for today's illustration? Take a wild guess. I just can't help myself. I love drawing on my iPad. Up until a few months ago, I had never done any illustrations digitally before. It was always paper and my favorite markers. But now, I'm obsessed is an understatement. I adore taking it with me, well, everywhere, because you never know when inspiration may strike. Who else feels like that? I know I'm not the only one. I hope you enjoyed today's outing. It's definitely not one you'll see recommended on any tourist maps. Thanks so much for sharing a few minutes with me. Until next time, bye! And if you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to my channel. Thanks so much for being here.